Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. Now in this particular tutorial, we are going to do a simple example to illustrate the panel bar and the panel bar item tag. What we're going to do is we're going to create a similar UI which will contain the whole panel bar, and then inside of this panel bar we are going to add the item 1, item 2 and item 3, and you will see that when you click on item 1 it will show you the contents of the item 1. Then when you click the item 2, it will show you the content of the item 2, and so on and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and design the same UI using these two tags. So let's go back here and then go back to our developer console, and let's go ahead and create our Visualforce page, and we will call this as panel bar example. And because we do not have it, we are going to create a brand new page. So the most important tag you all know by now is the page tag, and inside of this page tag I'm going to create my panel bar. So here I'm going to go ahead and create the panel bar, and inside of these panel bar I'm going to have my panel bar items. So here I'm going to say apex panel bar item. There's this tag available, and one of the attribute that we have to provide is the label. So we're going to go ahead and provide the label attributes value, and let's say we call it as item 1. So that is going to be the label for this. And what is the content of this item tag? We're going to go ahead and put, let's say, hello, how are you? So this is the content of the first panel bar item. Now when you click on this item, it will display you this content. Now we're going to go ahead and copy this item, panel bar item, 2 more times. I'm going to replace the label here and I'll call it as item 2, and this one we'll call it as item 3, and here I will say I'm the founder of my tutorial rack, and here you can specify rack.com. So that is going to be the item number 3. Now once you go ahead and hit the save button here, so you can see here this is by default the first one is already expanded, and when you click on the item number 2, the first item contents will be hidden and it will only display you the contents of the second item here. And then when you click on the item 3, it will hide the contents of the item 2, and then it is going to go ahead and display you whatever you have written in the item number 3 here. So randomly, if you let's say selected item 1, it will go ahead and show you the contents of the item 1. This is what the panel bar item does. It creates the panel, and then here let's say what are the attributes that are available. So these are the different attributes that are available. You have var attribute, value, switch type, style, class, etc. So these are the different attributes that are available for the panel bar. Now in the next tutorial we are going to go ahead and do another example related to the panel bar, and we are also going to cover some more important attributes related to these tags. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.